my collection of bottles, cups, and cans for my action figures. Most of these are Barbie. I think, in fact, they're all Barbie. But I liked them because they look real. Like these 2-liter soda bottles, there's no pink or anything on them. And as well as these soda cans. I think they came in the same set. I really like the realism of these water bottles. I use them a lot in a lot of my photo stories. This one is cool because it looks like it has a lid. This, I think, is juice. Apple juice. I thought it was pretty neat. This is just a standard bottle. And of course, 2 coffee cups. Because Joe needs coffee. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. And click that notification bell so you don't miss out. And don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next one.